to Twinning with the Tagwayes, a podcast mainly for twins, not for single people that, came alone to this world. We're actually talking about people that came with a friend, a brother, a part of them to this world that made them one single person but appear to be two. Allow me to introduce you to a species that are part of me, species like me, kind of. On my left here is my brother that came from our own world. And on my right hand side, my left hand side as well is my brother that we share the same world. And I have Joseph and Jacob here in the studio with us. Whenever twins are mentioned, they are an interesting species that everyone would like to see them. Everyone would be like, wow, these are lovely, these are so admirable and all.
Exactly.
So I would really want to know, can you tell us your upbringing, the story you had when you were born, like mine, when we were born. One of us was born. I was not born. We were not born in the hospital, actually. We were born in the house. So the nurse in Hausa, we call her Ngozuma. So the Ngozuma came out and told my father that his wife has delivered a bouncing baby boy. So my dad was happy only for him to go back. And the Ngozuma said, there is one still remaining,
Yeah.
You understand? So I really want you guys to, give us an insight on your beautiful and humble beginning. Most importantly, how you were born, the difficulties, Like I said, I don't want to end up telling my own story instead of hearing yours. In ours, it's not easy to raise twins. Everybody knows that, but it's lovely,
Exactly.
So how do your parents, cope with raising twins?
I think first of all, good afternoon, and my name is Joseph. We are actually from Taraba State.
Oh.
And if you can see from the attire that we're using, this is Koreofa Kingdom.
Yeah.
That's the Jukun Kingdom.
Okay, that's Jukun attire.
Yeah, Jukun.
Wow.
A lovely
But
set
I'm
of
not
people.
Jukun. Can I have this?
Yeah, sure. You can have
definitely.
one.
I'm
Maybe
going to
you
sew
and
one
your
of
brother
these.
were going to bring the material
No,
for
we
you.
are done. That's
Yes.
it. I will sew
Because
this.
the Koreofa Kingdom are large kingdom.
Yeah, I have to sew this because it feels as if when you wear it, you start feeling like a warrior.
Yes, exactly.
So I would love to have some of it.
Sure, you have one.
Yeah.
So I think for me, life as a twin is awesome.
Yeah.
It's just like you having a life without a mirror.
Mm.
So I consider myself, if I cannot be able to live without a mirror, that means I can't live without this man.
Wow.
So the story was awesome. We coming to this world.
Yeah.
In fact, we will have 2 sets of twins in our family.
Mm-hmm.
Our mom gave birth to 8 children. She gave birth 6 times. She has 8 children.
Wow.
So we have 2 sets of twins.
2 sets of twins in the family.
Exactly.
I would love to meet the other ones.
Yes. They are a boy and a girl.
Oh.
Then me and my twin brother now came behind.
Yeah. I can relate anyway.
Yes.
I can relate.
So the story has been amazing.
Yeah.
From the date of birth to we growing up, I think everything's amazing. As in, the story is not much like giving birth. We don't have much story to share because I think our mom go through a lot giving birth to 2 sets of twins and on a row.
Wow.
On a row.
Yeah.
After giving birth to our elder ones, she now gave birth to us again.
Wow.
The upbringing was awesome.
Yeah.
they gave us that kind of training, like you have to love your brother. You have to look after each other. The moment we quarrel with each other, they don't do things for us. They don't give us any good things. They don't give us money. They won't buy new clothes for you. So they give us those kind of background that we just have to look after each other.
Yeah.
Trying to see how your brother do well, you too do well. So everything was just equal. Try to make you feel that kind of homely, love yourself, make sure you look after each other, and make sure you do things the same.
Wow.
We have same clothes since when we were growing up. We wear same clothes, same haircut. In fact, I think there is one revelation that happens that when he was out of the country, me, I was in Nigeria. The day that he barbed his hair, he didn't tell me. That day, me too, I woke up, I went and barbed my hair. Because of the bond that we grew up with, it gave us that kind of, we have that kind of transmission of, in spirit.
Yeah.
He might decide to wear this clothes today. I might not be in Abuja, but I'll wear the same clothes.
Wow.
On that same.
Wow.
So I guess maybe he can also say more.
Jacob, you and Joseph, who is an introvert and who is an extrovert? But for me, let me guess, should I guess?
Yes.
I think Joseph is the extrovert. You are the introvert. Is that correct?
It's not correct.
It's not correct.
No, it's not correct.
Our own kind of twins is very, very, very born.
Wow.
We like similar things.
Okay.
We do similar things. Anything he likes, I likes.
Wow.
Anything I likes, he likes. I don't have to be there. Once he say go out, let's go out, I go out. Once they sit at home, we sit at home. I don't feel like going out. Me too, I would say, okay, I don't feel like going out. Let me stay at home. Right. So we virtually do everything together. Everything together.
Have you ever fought like?
Yeah,
No.
we do. We do
That was-
have
that was-
misunderstanding, but it doesn't
Yeah.
take time. We settle.
Okay.
And that's one thing I learned as a twin.
Yeah.
One of the benefit, the most important benefit I've learned as a twin is to forgive. 1 minute we have misunderstanding, the next minute, the next second, we keep going.
You know, me and my brother, growing up then, we always quarrel. And our quarrel will always end up in uwaka ubanka, insulting each other,
Right.
Yes.
and nobody will throw even one blow.
Yeah, of course.
So we keep doing this, and my mom keep warning us, stop this quarrel, and we refused. One day, this woman locked the gate and said today that we will fight today. That waka ubanka will stop, that we will fight. And we start fighting. I will push him, he will push me, he will hit me on the ground, I will hit him on the ground. We kept doing that to the extent we got exhausted. He will push me, I will push him. My dad was telling her, it's okay, they have learned their lesson. Leave them, they have learned their lesson. I think I usually say this, that my twin brother is the only person I have fought physically. Like that day. And from that day, we have never fought
That's good.
again.
That's really great.
Yeah. And, but like you said, misunderstanding definitely
Yeah.
is a normal thing.
Yeah.
You know, is a normal
But
thing.
not on when we are adult now. No more fighting, no more misunderstanding.
Exactly.
So it's-
Exactly.
that one is a long time ago.
Yeah.
Because every day we try to see how we can make our life great.
Yeah.
And that's why we stay together. We do everything together.
Mm.
We have another brother who has played a major role in our life.
Yeah.
The quest to be great.
Mm.
That's what he taught us.
Oh.
Just be great. You guys have to be great. So every day if we wake up from sleep, it's same thing. We want to be great.
Yeah, because I notice in you're not married.
Yeah, I'm not married.
Oh, you are not. You are
No,
not
I'm
as
not.
well.
I'm not as well.
And how do you plan getting married? Are you getting married the same day? Are you getting married to a set of twins as well?
Exactly. We wish we would definitely get married on the same day.
Okay.
But the quest of us marrying a twin, we've done that several years ago, more
Mm.
than 15 years now.
Wow.
We've been looking and searching for a twin. We'll come across some,
Yeah.
and at the point, one will be dating, one will be single. At the end of the day, it might not keep going.
Uh,
Then we
then you
end.
went and spoiled the date and bring her out now.
No, we spoiled the date. So the problem we are having now is that
Uh,
twins girls are usually stubborn. I don't know.
yeah.
Some are stubborn. Most of them are stubborn. But twins guys, I think they have common things. They have things in common. They
Mm.
can compromise for each other. But I think twins girls they don't do that.
Yeah.
I think that's what makes us a man. But woman they don't do that. So
Mm.
the quest has been going, but a lot of people have been telling us that it's not going to work. We keep on pushing, pushing,
Mm.
pushing. At the end of the day, I don't think that is possible.
Really?
So we ended up everybody's going on his way, but
Looking for a
yeah,
single, all these
Single
single
girl.
people.
single.
Just looking for these single people.
Single.
Okay. It's okay. It's a good one. And
He's not working out.
there is we have this belief that there is this blessing that is, attached to twins. You find out that maybe when you come to a family, you realize that I hardly see twins that are not doing well. Hardly. I hardly see
Yeah,
twins
Exactly.
that are not doing well.
Hmm.
So I think that's another blessing God adds to twins,
Yes.
Yeah.
and it's so unique that whenever you see them, they are blessed, they are loved. Most importantly, they are loved.
Exactly.
Exactly.
So, but at times you start to see it. Do you people have any magical, any mystery kind
Powers,
of?
yeah.
Because I know of twins that whenever the mother beats them,
Yeah.
then the
Yeah.
mother will be, probably she want to boil water.
The water
When
is
they
not
were
going to-
crying, the water will not boil.
It's no good.
That is personal belief, right?
You know? Then when they keep begging them, it's okay, stop crying, stop
Then
crying.
the water will
The
start
next
boiling.
thing you see the way the water will boom and start boiling. Do you people, do you have such attributes, or maybe you sense things like that when growing
Yes,
up?
we do.
Okay.
Yes, we do.
Mm.
We growing up, I think people are scared of twins to some point about maybe if you do something to a twin, then
Mm.
maybe you might see a scorpion or a
Mm.
snake, or they will say you're not going to sell market today. So, but we keep on thinking, we try to reason along
Mm.
and see why this thing happens. It happens actually. Coincidentally, if you hurt a twin, before you go out of this plaza, something will happen to you.
Mm.
So we keep on asking, why is this thing happening? Then we come up with something, they call it in Hausa, alaki.
Mm. I like
I
it.
like healing.
That's
Alaki.
more like
If you do things,
karma, kind of.
yes,
Yeah.
if you do things to a twin that they are innocent,
Mm.
if they shed tears, something definitely must happen to you. You
if
can't
they,
go
if they shed
unpunished.
tears,
Yes.
I will start with a tear. I will start sharing tears.
Honestly,
Whoever that offends me, I will
Like
share
my
tears.
elder sister, the
Mm.
twin,
Mm.
that one, she's always quiet. Once you hurt her, believe me, you're not going out of this plaza. You will definitely see a snake.
Wow.
One day, I think my older brother, she did nothing. He now hit her. I think that day before he said, okay, he wants to leave the house. He wants to put his leg on the shoe. Scorpion. What? Then the second time that it happens when we're around, our dad now did something to her. She was crying. I remember we were still small.
Mm.
So our dad now went down to a tree. He wants to relax. Snake. He jumped and started running. So I think that karma is what is coming with the twin. On the norm, even though you do things to a single person that is innocent, something definitely you feel conscience will tell you. But imagine two people hurting two people at the same time. Honestly, it's dangerous. Very dangerous. Except you come back to them and ask for forgiveness. That's why you see the Yorubas, the Westerner, I love being around them. They know the importance of a twin.
Yeah.
A lot. They believe a twin has the key to everything. Once a twin tell a Yoruba man that this thing is going to happen to him, he believes it's going to happen. And if you stay around them, every day you get a gift from them. They believe that if they're selling this water, if I can give a twin this, let me give them this 1-1. Once they take it from me,
will come.
that blessing will come. And it happens to them. So I think all those things that they said about twin is real. It's just that you don't hurt them. That's all I can say.
This just stopped recently. Before, if I maybe start feeling sick, definitely my brother will. Because when we were babies, there is this they call it meningitis.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when, let's say around 12 p.m., when the thing grips him, they will be treating him. I will be playing. Then around 6, 7 p.m., he will be all right. I will pick up. My mom will be crying. We really need to give it, we have to give it to our mothers. All the mothers out there that give birth to twins, to triplets, they need all the accolade, because the stress they go through, psychologically, the trauma, in the sense that they are so attached to their babies, the twins, that whatever that happens to any one of them, they feel scared. Yes, even when you born one child, yeah, it's your child, but there is this attachment to twins, to their mother.
Yes.
Because I am a living witness with our own mother. She pays so much attention to us, and believe me, they have their reasons, because they know that God actually gave them a special breed, So I would really want you guys to, tell the audience, how they should relate with twins, and how they can actually, or anyway, when I say give birth to twins, God gives birth to twins. But some people will be like, I don't know if that has happened to you guys, when people see, please touch me so that I'll give birth to twins.
Yeah, it actually happened.
It actually happened to so many.
Yeah.
So many.
And they gave birth to twins.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. You see?
The recent one is our account officer.
Yeah.
Access Bank. When he saw her, she was pregnant.
I told her that when I saw her, I told her that this pregnancy is a twin. Then my other brother that told me that is everybody that we see with pregnancy that we say that
It's twins.
a twin. Then we are in the US.
Yeah.
They should not call me that. You people have just entered me now. I don't know. One thing I don't know is that I'm here to go and see them. One thing I don't know is that whether she have checked before or she have bought. I think she haven't checked.
Yeah.
And it was due then. Then when we are in the US, she told us that she gave birth to twins. I say, what? Then I was telling her, I say, she gave birth to twins. I say, wow, God is really wonderful.
So, if you want to give birth to twins, just come to Joseph, or you come to Jacob.
Yeah.
Or they can come to you as well.
Wow. So it's really an interesting section, and believe me, I want to let you know, I want to let you guys know that we appreciate your presence in the studio, and trust me, this will be happening more and more. We'll keep bringing our breed because we really want to keep, you know, showing the world the beauty of twins, how unique we are, because that's what we are actually. So we are bringing this podcast to a stop now, not because we are tired, but because if we continue to, you know, discuss, we continue to talk until the day breaks, because there are interesting stories, interesting moments when you're around twins that they usually share with you and all. So thank you for being with us on this twinning with the Tagwayes. See you soon.